My dear friends, today I want to show you how I install and use my hack for Aviator Predictor. Look at this, all this real, you see this is random words, you see, that's me, my mobile phone and PK, and when you buy hack from me, I'm send you this Aviator Predictor. You see, I'm sending you this Aviator Predictor to your mobile Android phone. You see all this real, don't worry. Look, you see? All this real, it's me, don't worry. You see, download, then you install. And you see this is my Aviator Predictor hack. Okay, I'm taking this and let's go. Go to the Google Chrome, guys. Look, this is actual fresh date, fresh time, 21 March. Go to the Google Chrome. Random links, dollars. You see dollars, images. You see, guys, news. Okay, but we need Google, we need 1xbet.com crash. And look, we just found this official 1xbet website, 1xbet.com, all games crash. Press this. Yes, and you see, guys, this is 1xbet official website. Look, you see? 1xbet official website, sports crash game, you see? All this real, don't worry, my friends, you see? Actual fresh date, fresh time, 21 March, 23 years. And let's go. I show you how it's work. Take my mobile phone, Aviator Predictor, choose 1xbet. Yes, you see? That's amazing, that's real work perfect. You see next coefficient when Aviator crash. This is my official Telegram channel and me, guys, if you want this real working hack for 1xbet for Aviator crash game. Look, you see? Yes, it's amazing. Okay, take it this, and I place bet. Yes, it's big coefficient. I like it, guys. You see, this is a real big coefficient. I like it. And now I'm trying to win money. You see? Amazing, guys. You see? Amazing, guys, it's amazing. I win my, it's real work. I like it. It's amazing, perfect. Place the next bet and place big bet, $2,000. Amazing, guys, you see, I win money. Okay. Place the next bet and I am trying win again. Amazing, guys, you see? That's a real work perfect, guys. It's amazing, you see? Actual fresh date, fresh time. You see my history, guys. You see my history. And you see my balance right now. You see my balance. That's amazing, guys. That's a real work perfect. It's a real working hack. Okay, go to the personal account, withdraw funds, and I withdrew it to my Visa card. My official Telegram channel, guys, and me if you want this real working hack for OnixBet for Aviator Crash game. Okay, press confirm. Okay. And now we just wait when status change to approve. And my money withdraws from OneXBet wallet to my Visa card. That's amazing. That's real work perfect, guys. This is my official Telegram channel and me if you want this hack. You see? Amazing. That's real. You see? It's real work perfect, guys. It's amazing, you see? My official Telegram channel and me if you want this hack. I like it. It's real work. Yes, you see, status change to approve, my money withdraws. Thank you for view, guys. Bye bye, see you later.